Welcome back. In this video, we want to discuss the subject of whether or not you should use private label rights or PLR content in order to create your courses. Now, Skillshare says that you must be the primary content producer behind your work. Even if you own the content, you may not publish content that you are not directly teaching yourself. So that means then that you cannot upload videos that were created by others, and you probably want to be careful about creating content, videos from information that you have not directly changed in order to create your courses. Another guideline from Skillshare is that classes may not draw from external materials that did not originate with you, the teacher. So again, that is another guideline that you are going to need to follow. And then content can only be uploaded to Skillshare once. Repetitive content can be removed. So again, this is another guideline that you're going to want to think about as you consider whether or not you want to use PLR or private label rights content. So the spirit and letter of the law when it comes to Skillshare and content is that they want the content to come from you. They want it to be something that you have generated from your own knowledge and experience. And so in most cases, this will go beyond the case where you are simply rewriting private label rights content. If it feeds into the knowledge that you have and that knowledge comes out in the course, it's probably permissible. You're purchasing the content, you're changing it, and you are simply transferring the work from one person to another. That's actually not the spirit of Skillshare. The key is whether or not your students are learning new information. And so if you are using any kind of content, whether it's private label rights or even from a different author, it should be invisible to the student and it should come out in what you are able to teach and what you have already learned. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.